Hello guys. So first, I should say that I'm not gonna waste your precious time by talking unnecessarily. So let's just get on with it. So the thing I'm gonna teach you is about ad clicking. So it's an online advertising firm. So all you have to do is click ads. Okay, nothing else. It's pretty straightforward and easy. So just go to this site. I'm gonna anyway put the link in my description. So anyway, it's starclicks.com. okay, star-clicks.com. okay. So you should go, and then you need to create an account. So here you'll see a button called start now. All you have to do is click it, and then so you have to start a publisher account. Okay, not advertiser account. It's for advertisers. Okay, so this one you should sign up for a publisher account. So just tap on it, and you'll get to fill all the details. Okay, so you need to give accurate details, because when you're trying to after a while you get to withdraw the money. So if you provide inaccurate details, it might cause some trouble. So you need to give your address, your zip code, and your number, everything accurately, so that you won't have to face anything in future. Okay, so here's how it will look like when you first log into the site. So you'll see PPC ads. There are several options. So when you scroll down, you can see silver membership ads. So click each ad, wait for a new page to load in full. You are paid per click. A new page will open for each link. So there are plenty of links available. You can just click it and wait for the page to load. That's all you have to do. And there's also a referral option, so you just can click on it, and let's see what's there. So you just have to you can invite people. For that you will be getting these amounts. Okay, $0.08 per each referral. You'll be given cash. So that's basically how you make money. So one way is clicking ads, and the other way is through referrals. Okay, through sign-ups. So this is a legal site, so it's UK trust approved, and you don't have to worry about any withdrawal cases. So yeah, that's it.